Agency managers in the live streaming industry frequently have to make the difficult choice of whether to penalize live streamers who perform poorly or are absent, or to concentrate on rewarding those who do well. In actuality, praising high performers works significantly better than disciplining those who fall short of expectations. We'll look at why positive reinforcement improves outcomes, increases loyalty, and contributes to long-term agency performance in this video. Part 1. The problem with punishment-based management. Many agencies attempt to impose stringent guidelines on live streamers, penalizing those who fail to reach quotas or abruptly stop posting. Although responsibility is crucial, punishment frequently has unfavorable effects like reduced morale. Rather than feeling inspired, streamers experience tension and pressure. Resentment. Tough punishments make the workplace unfavorable. High turnover. Streamers may depart for agencies that provide better treatment. Potential loss. Rather of punishment, some streamers require direction and rewards. Part 2. The power of positive reinforcement. Let's now examine the effectiveness of positive reinforcement. Instead of emphasizing punishment, agencies that give rewards to top live streamers observe increased motivation. Live streamers put in more effort when they are aware that success will result in rewards. Greater loyalty. A streamer who receives rewards is more likely to stick with the agency over the long haul. Enhanced engagement. Streamers that are driven are more active and have a larger following. Live streamers are more inclined to join a team that encourages hard effort when the agency has a good reputation. Part 3. How to reward excellent streamers. Effectively. What kinds of rewards are effective then? Here are some tried and true strategies for inspiring and keeping your top live streamers. Performance bonuses are additional rewards given to people who reach or surpass goals. Special training, mentorship, or access to superior resources are examples of exclusive benefits. Awards and recognition. Using social media shoutouts or agency rankings to publicly recognize exceptional performance. Surprise gifts are little yet impactful presents, such as virtual money, streaming gear, or customized rewards. Opportunities for career advancement. Assisting leading streamers in obtaining brand agreements, joint ventures, or exclusive promotions. Part 4. Creating a balanced approach to streamer management. Naturally, this does not imply that agencies should disregard streamers who are AWOL or performing poorly. A well-rounded strategy consists of monitoring inactive streamers. Occasionally, they require support or encouragement. Giving advice rather than punishment. Assist struggling streamers with goal setting and coaching. Using explicit expectations. Clearly define rules so that streamers are aware of what is expected of them. Putting an emphasis on creating a culture of motivation. Live streamers are more likely to advance themselves when they witness others receiving rewards. Final thought. The most effective organizations prioritize rewarding achievement over punishing failure. Live streamers will put in more effort, remain with your agency longer, and contribute more success if you foster an environment where they feel appreciated. For more agency management advice, remember to like, comment, and subscribe if you thought this video was useful. In the comments section, share the greatest prize you have ever given or received as a streamer. Write down in the comment, reward, if you agree being reward and being punished as a live streamers.